Hi students, welcome to week 3. I just wanted to go over a couple of things and go over your week 3 materials with you in this short video. So on your screen you will see what you regularly see in Blackboard. So again, each week you go into course content and you pick your week, and so I just kind of want to go over your first assignment from last week. So you were given the faculty advising form to complete. So right now you don't see the submission button because once Sunday at 11:59 p.m. passes, the link will close. So as said in your syllabus and as listed in the directions, that all weekly assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. the Sunday of the week that it was assigned. So please note that you cannot turn in any late work. So do not complete the form and then submit it to me via email. You will not be able to receive a grade for that. So please make sure that you stay on top of the date. So I just wanted to show you that is why there is no link for you to submit it. So you have already received your grades for it. So if you completed it, then you should have received 10 points for that. If you have 0 points with a comment, I usually put something in there such as I can't see how you submitted it, it's a blank document, and in those cases I will say email me your assignment ASAP. But other than that, you are never to email me your assignments. They're all graded through Blackboard. So here is week 3, and so your PDF will pop up. So again, your key terms, if you read the last sheet that I gave you, I will always tell you to read, define your key terms, and outline the chapter. It is not something I'm taking for a grade. However, it is a study skill that each and every one of you should have acquired by this point. If not, I encourage you to do so for all courses, because instructors will not be taking grades on whether you are reading or whether you're doing outlines. However, the expectation is that you are reviewing that information in intervals. And so in order to be a successful student, you need to be doing that. So I'm asking you to define your Chapter 2 terms that you may be unfamiliar with. Read Chapter 2 and outline Chapter 2 using the outline. I then have an article for you to read on media consumption and a video for you to watch on Inside the Mind of a Master Procrastinator. All materials, as mentioned in your syllabus, that I ask you to read or to watch are items that you will also see on your exams and your midterm and your final. So I recommend that while you watch them, you go ahead and take notes so that you don't have to go back and reread or rewatch it. So you want to be an active learner. And then you are going to complete and submit a daily time chart to me for this week. So again, that daily time chart is a weekly assignment, and that's going to be due by Sunday. So if you click on week 3 materials, you will see an example of the daily schedule. So as you open it up, you are going to see a planned time and an actual time. So the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to jot down what you think you are going to do the next day in 15-minute intervals. Then the next day you are actually going to jot down as the day goes by or at the end of the day what actually happened, because as the saying goes, best laid plans, right? So the new trend in research is to use calendars that are 15 to 30 minutes, that it is a realistic portrayal of what goes on in your day. To simply list things by hours is inaccurate, because within those 60 minutes there's a lot of things that you're accomplishing. So your assignment is to, again, the day before, tell me what you plan to do, and then the next day actually write down what you did. So let me go back. So that was your example. Here is the form. So just like last time, you can open the Word document, click Enable Editing there, and you simply can type into it what you plan on doing. And just go throughout your day in 15 to 30. I'll let you do 30-minute intervals as well as you would like. So let's say that you're going to say you get ready for the next 30 minutes. So it's 7:45, then you are ready to leave. Right. Okay, so you will go down. You may not use all of these. You may need more than one. So those of you that are not used to working in tables, once you get done writing, if you need more, you simply hit tab and it'll open another one. And you hit tab and it'll open another one. So if you need more than one. So the next day, what you'll actually do is tell me what you did. So maybe you did not wake up until 7:45, right? So you would skip those 2 lines and say, nope, this is what I actually did. When you are done, you are to save it. And I want you, if at all possible, to get used to saving in PDF format. Most of the time you will be expected to turn in a PDF because a Word document can be changed when opening up in different formats. And also, whoever receives it can change your Word document. So anything that's a finalized version, you always want to save it as a PDF. So once you have your final version, I recommend you save it. And you always want to name it what it is. Some of you spend lots of time looking up an assignment because you didn't name it properly. So this is your daily time schedule. So in case you want to go back and work on it, you always also want to save it as a Word document. But then when you go to submit things, you want to do save as. Again, there's the name. And if you do this down arrow here, it will turn it into a PDF. You're going to hit save. Right? And so when you go into your file folder, you will then turn in that PDF version of it. Okay? So, a couple of you did email me your assignment last week, and I am accepting it. However, from this point on, all assignments need to be submitted through Blackboard. Again, if this little assignment icon is not there, it means you missed the due date and you cannot turn it in. Some of you, I don't know, necessarily knew how to turn it in. So let me show you. That's why I took your email assignments if you sent it to me. So here's where you can either copy and paste your whole thing. So you could actually come here, select all, copy it, and then do write a submission and paste it in there. So there it is. Okay. Many of your professors will ask you to do that because when we grade it, it pops up without us having to open another document. However, if you submit a PDF, that's not a problem. So if you don't want to do this and you want to just attach your PDF, you just hit Browse My Computer. Let's see. So mine's under Daily Schedule, Daily Time Schedule, and here's my PDF version. I'm going to say Open, and there it is right there. Okay. Do not ever put your assignment in the Add Comments. That's for you to tell the professor something. That is not a graded area. So never put anything in comments unless you just want to tell your professor something. You either need to copy and paste into the text bar and or you need to attach your file there. And then you simply hit submit and then it will be turned into me. Then you can go in My Grades, and in My Grades you would have a little exclamation point and a yellow little circle letting you know you turned something in and it's simply waiting to be graded. Okay, that's it for tonight.